Enjoy the video.
Did you see the snowstorm yesterday?
Yes. We decided to stay home for the snowstorm yesterday.
I go to work yesterday.
I am off from work yesterday.
As a police officer, why is your work schedule different, Gerald and Stuart?
One of our supervisors from the police station wants us to come to work daily.
Did you work safely for the snowstorm?
Yes, I did.
Did you shovel the snow from the sidewalk to the street around your home yesterday? Yes, we shoved the snow from the sidewalk to the street because we wanted to keep our neighbors safe from the slippery after the snowstorm. I agree with you. I shoved the snow for Gerald, and he was working for the snowstorm, Hannah.
We know, right? We played the snow when we were young, but we don't play the snow anymore because we feel more frigid for the snowstorm yesterday.
Hello, what are you doing here? Were you supposed to stay home for the snowstorm?
I worked at the police station yesterday for the snowstorm, but Misty, Stuart and Hannah stayed home for the snowstorm. You should know snowstorm is a dangerous weather.
We could not go to work in person for the snowstorm. This means that we chose to work from home online until the snowstorm would be over.
I agree with what Gavin said. If you think storm is dangerous, our supervisors notify us in email about work remote. We work from home online.
Honestly, I and Gerald are the current police officers who do not work from home. We are the essential workers permanently for the storm.
That's fine, our friends. We think wearing coat, gloves, and scarf is useful and helps you to protect your body for every winter.
Gavin, Melody, Randall, and Candace, did you use shove to clear out the snow from sidewalk to the street before?
Yes, I did.
Me too, Gavin.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Stuart, Misty, Gerald, and Hannah, did you know to shove the snow for the snowstorm before?
I shoved the snow with Misty before. I used snow salt to throw outside my home after the snowstorm.
What do you mean snow salt?
The snow salt is a thing that melts the snow effectively.
Do you have snow shove and salt at home?
We all have snow shove and salt at home.
That's okay. We bought the snow salts from the store for the beginning of winter season before the snowstorm.
Do you use your phone to check the weather or watch TV daily?
Yes, we use our phone to check the weather and watch TV on the weather broadcast.
Nice to talk to you, Gerald, Misty, Stuart, and Hannah.
You too, Gavin, Melody, Candace, and Randall. Where are you going now?
We are going home after we finish eating the lunch at restaurant.
We are going to the supermarket to buy many good foods. We hope you are safe.
You too.
Thanks for watching this video and feel free to like, to subscribe and to hit the notification bell.